All right, today we got the Winn Jumbolite Pistol XL. Look at this baby, this thing's huge. Look at that, we're gonna put this thing on an old ping answer. Look at that thing. That makes me want to putt. Look at that. All right, so let's see what we got here. Hey, just to show you the size of this thing, look at that. Look at the difference. The old school grip you got on here and this gigantic pistol grip. Very nice. All right, first thing we're gonna do, get this thing clamped down. We're gonna remove the old grip. I'm gonna pull this back a little bit, score it, get it going. We have a metal shaft here, so I'm not too much worried about hurting the metal. If it was graphite, we'd be a little bit more careful. There it is. Look at that hole. Two things can happen here. We can either remove this old tape if you want, or we can put new tape on over top of it. We're just gonna go over top of this old tape. Why not? Apply the grip tape onto the shaft. This is double-sided grip tape. Put that on. Pull it over. Next move, take our grip solvent. Pretty simple. Put your finger over the hole. Squirt some down in there. Shake it around. Take your finger off the little hole. Let it go in here. Look at that. And just for the hell of it, we're going to throw some on here. Here we go. Done. And brace it. We're bracing. That's it. That's it. You're done. You just put a new grip on your putter.
You got it straight.
Line it up. You tell me.
Yeah.
You're putting on it.
Look like we're set.
You look like it's good.
Look like we're good.
All right. We'll just make sure it's on there all the way. Right, just a hair. That's it. We're done. You just re-gripped your putter with your new Winn pistol grip.